Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello, welcome. We meet again in this video today. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, it is gonna be a makeup tutorial video, and I am going to attempt to do a more dramatic look than my usual makeup looks. Also, today's video is in collaboration with a homegrown brand, which is SLAE Cosmetics. As I said, they are a homegrown brand and they believe in the power of makeup and how makeup can help boost your confidence and unleash the beautiful girl that you already are. Right now, they already have an array of products, and I'm so lucky to be able to try them out and show to you guys how I can use these makeup products from SLAE to create today's look. Today's look is all about transformation. If you are an OG subscriber, you would already know how much, of course, I love makeup and beauty, because that's what my channel is all about mostly, right? And to me, makeup is something that's almost therapeutic. Whenever I feel down, I put on makeup and I feel a lot better about myself. I don't know how that is, but I guess when you look good, you feel good. And I love trying and discovering new makeup, including this ones today from SLAE. So I'm gonna try to make a dramatic look inspired by a butterfly. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, so let's see how it goes. Alright, so I've already prepped and primed my face. Straight on to foundation lah. They have a few base products here. They're all from the Bare and Bougie line. I have here their cushion foundation, matte liquid foundation, and a two-way cake. The good part about all of these base products, because all of their base products have SPF and a decent amount of SPF too. So between these two, I think I'm gonna put on the cushion, because the cushion is in the shade 02 Natural Beige, which I think is closer to my shade. Before, after. The coverage is pretty decent, and I know that it looks a little bit lighter than my real skin shade, which is true, but in real life it doesn't look as much of a difference as much as I do see it right now in the camera. So I don't know, maybe because it has SPF. This has SPF 50 PA+++. That's a lot of SPF, which is amazing. This will give you really good sun protection. I'm gonna use the matte liquid foundation here. This is in the shade 01 Light Beige, so most likely this is a lighter shade. I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes to brighten the under eye area. Alright, now we have a nice blank canvas. I'm gonna set it with the two-way cake. Let's see how it goes. I just want to put like a light layer so that it won't be too cakey. The good thing about two-way cake is that when you don't have time, it is easy, it's mess free, and you can just use the sponge provided in here. You don't even need a brush or anything. You can use this on the go. That's the good thing about a two-way cake. You can use it dry or wet. As you can see, I'm buffing it in. I don't want to swipe because I don't want to move the product underneath. So yeah, I think that's pretty much set. For brows, I will be using this SLAE Feline Brow Pen. They come in two shades. One is darker than the other. And when you use this to fill up your brows, they just give you the most natural looking brows, and I love it. See how natural that looks? That looks good. Time for the most intricate part of this look, which is the eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow that I will be using today is the SLAE Wild and Wonder eyeshadow palette. It features 6 wearable colors and it comes in shimmers and matte. I'm gonna attempt to do a cut crease today for this dramatic look. So first, I'm gonna take this peach shade here and apply this all over the eyelid up to underneath my brows. The color is not overly pigmented, but it's buildable and it's easy to blend, so that's good. Alright, now I'm gonna take the same shade and apply that on the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna take this purpley shade in the corner right here and apply that into my crease, starting from the outer corners of my eyes. enough of the cut crease, which honestly is the tricky bit. So I'm gonna apply some concealer. Just adding a bit of the crease shade. And then to add depth, I'm gonna take this dark brownish color. I'm gonna outline the crease that I've drawn. And then of course I have to use this shimmery shade in the middle here. I'm gonna apply this where I put the concealer. Does it look like a butterfly yet? Alright, that's a nice beautiful cut crease. I'm not gonna put down the eyeshadow just yet. I'm gonna take a small brush and take the brown shade at the corner here and apply it on the outer corners of my eyes just to add a little bit more depth. Next, I'm gonna put on mascara. I'll be using this SLAE Feline mascara. The curved brush really makes it easier to coat every lashes a lot faster. That looks pretty good. Okay, now time for eyeliner. Also from the Feline range, I will be using the SLAE Feline eyeliner. The tip of the eyeliner is stiff and sharp, which makes it easy to control and draw a nice wing. Now to add to the butterfly-ish effect, I'm gonna take a white eyeliner and start making butterfly patterns on my eyeliner. They're not exactly identical, but that's the beauty of it. Butterfly wings aren't exactly identical, right? Alright, so I am going to put on my falsies and I will be right back. Okay, I've put on my falsies, but I feel like my falsies have made my butterfly liner look almost non-existent. So I'm gonna use this to draw a mini wing. Let's see how this goes. I think it looks a lot more like a butterfly now. Okay, now I am done with the eyes. Now we can move on to the rest of the face. I'm so glad that SLAE has their own face palette. I love face palettes because they're so convenient. Like this one, this is the SLAE Sunny Glow palette. It has a contour, blusher, and highlight all in one. So mudah dekat sini, senang lah. Next, we're gonna go on to the blush. Next, a little bit of highlight. Nice! The face palette is really good. Everything is pigmented and was easy to blend. The highlight is also quite nice. And now on to the lips. They sent me 2 lip products. One is their Summer Kiss Liquid Lip Matte, and the other one is their Phenomenal Lip Crayon. I'm gonna try to use both. I usually overdraw my lips quite a bit, so I'm gonna use this lip crayon-y to draw out the outline of my lips macam tu, and then I'm gonna put on one of these liquid lipsticks on top. This is a little bit more orange than I'd like it to be, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this Sandy Beach. It's a little bit more nude, more brown, and we're done. Alright, that's it. This is the final look that I have created. Oh my god, I think I love it more than I expected. liked it too. I gotta be honest, I'm quite impressed. Using all of this SLAE products, I'm able to create this whole look right here. My favorite out of all that I used today is probably the face palette. Yeah, I have to say that my favorite is the face palette. It was so easy to use and it blended really well onto my face. Actually, this liquid lipstick is also very good. It's lightweight, it's transfer proof, and it looks good on my lips. As you can see by now, the base that I had before, it looked a little bit light, but then it has now blended really well into my skin. It has oxidized a little bit, and I think now it has matched my skin pretty well already. Yay! If you watched from the beginning to now, you can see how incredible makeup can make you look. Of course, as much as I love to put on makeup, and I might put on a lot of makeup, actually just like other people, most days I am makeup free. I love letting my skin breathe and treating my skin nicely, but every once in a while it's always nice to just put on makeup and express yourself and just enhance the beauty that you already have. I love the confidence that it brings me. When I have makeup on, I'm a work of art. Anyways, if you've watched until now, thank you so much. Congratulations, you've made it till the end. I know many of you guys are already excited to get your hands on SLAE products, so don't worry. I will link all the necessary link to hook you guys up in the description box below. If you are new to makeup, I hope you find the courage to try on makeup for yourself. And if you ever need any tips on how to apply makeup, you can always go through the various tutorials on my channel, and I hope you find joy in putting on makeup just like I do every time. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? Click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye!